My name is Usman Javed. Welcome back again to this series. So today I'm going to talk about machine learning algorithms. Last time we studied about introduction to machine learning. So machine learning algorithms basically has three components: representation, optimization, and evaluation. So every machine learning algorithm will have these three components. Representation, you can say we have, in representation we have linear regression, for example. We have neural network, and we have decision tree, and we then in optimization we can have like gradient descent, and in evaluation we will have accuracy, recall, and precision, squared error. So every machine learning algorithm will be following these three steps. Representation, we will represent our machine learning algorithm using linear regression, neural network, and decision trees. In optimization, once we get a loss and we train our model, then we will optimize using gradient descent method or divide and conquer method, right? So finally, once our model is fully trained using optimization, then we go for evaluation. We see how in the real world our model will perform. So we check the accuracy and recall for the classification problem and squared error for regression problem. So these three components describes a machine learning algorithm. Every machine learning algorithm will be expressed by these three points. And then I want to talk about further hypothesis space. What are hypothesis space? So for example, in order to explain this topic is very important to understand. So for example, let's take an example of positive and negative points. And this is basically have two features, x1 and x2. So if we want to separate these positive and negative points, we can come up with the different functions like this, and like this. All these three functions basically that we can come up using this training data, these three functions basically are called hypothesis space. So these three functions are hypothesis space, and we want to choose the best functions out of these three or four, whatever the functions that training data can come up. We want to choose a function or line which will best separate these positive and negative points and will have less training error. So we will have hypothesis, or we will come up hypothesis H that will belongs to capital H. So capital H is basically a hypothesis space or feature space, you can say. This is our feature space. Feature space are set of hypotheses. So from all these set of hypotheses, we want to have one hypothesis or one function which will have the lowest training error. So we will choose one hypothesis which will have the less training error. So in hypothesis space, what we study, we basically train our model, and we want to choose a hypothesis which have the least training error out of all those hypotheses. And not only less training error, it will also generalize on the future predicted values. So this phenomena is also important to understand in terms of machine learning. So for example, in case of linear regression, we want to come up a straight line or a line or a function out of all those lines which will separate our, which will fit our data on the best way, which will have the lowest error, some of the errors. So we will talk more about, like, every machine learning algorithm will have use this phenomena of hypothesis. These hypotheses are generally called function or model. So we will say each is basically our hypothesis, function or model. So you can call this H anything: hypothesis, function and model. So we will be continuing studying more about in this linear regression and logistic regression. So I think this is enough for today's lecture. So what we covered up how machine learning algorithm is basically has components, how we gonna study about the machine learning algorithms, and then what are hypothesis space and how we select the best hypothesis or function to have the lowest training error and testing error. So I hope you guys liked it, and for further upcoming videos, like my channel and subscribe it. So we'll see you in the next lecture of linear regression. So hopefully you're gonna like it. Thank you so much.